How's it going, everyone? I'm going to go over DJT as this is absolutely like nuts. Like, look at this. From my buy area, we went from $11 all the way up to 24. We made over 100% gain as we speak, as of now. And a lot of people are probably trying to chase this thing, but it was just awesome. When this thing was depressed, nobody wanted it. Now that it's way up here, everyone's starting to change their mind and like, okay, yeah, maybe DJT running up to the elections is going to be a big move. This thing went up 109% from the very lows. So why did I like DJT? Well, one, we got the very obvious, the elections coming up in November, and obviously Trump is running, so there's going to be a lot of hype. What are people going to look to? They're going to look for the Trump stock, right? And then also, what are we getting for our buy signals? One, we are close to this lower band here. We had time distance away from the EMA 5. As you can see, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right in here, and then a very conservative bounce would have made you nice and decent money just from here to here. It was just a very easy play. That was a 20% gain. Now, did I expect it to just keep ramping up all the way here? No, but I will say, it can very well do that if you look at the past. And like I said, when it does get close to this upper band here, a lot of the sellers do come in and short it. As you can see, every time it tries to get this upper band, it does get shorted fast. This was one of the times where it went way over this upper band, which is customized. If you're in my Discord, you have my settings. If you're not, you can join, and I'll be more than likely to set up your chart for you. I have a video about this. But in theory, what happens is sellers come in and they tend to rip it apart from here. This is very bearish, and that's really what we're leading up towards. So I wanted to make a video on this and be like, we need to start taking some profit along the way. If you have 100 shares, just to make an example, you would take 80 shares off the table and hold those 20 shares with a trailing stop loss is the best way to keep running it up. And as you can see, price is always going to hit the EMA 5, 10, and 20. No matter what, if it goes up, it goes down big, price comes back to those reversions to the mean, as that's where algos look to target. So we played this thing a lot of the times. It was very nice. As you can see on this last pump, what happened? On bigger cap stocks like this, price tends to stay very conformed to this strategy. As you can see, we went from here all the way up to here, making a 60% return. Very nice gains from here, touching this lower band with time distances of the EMA 5. And with higher quality stocks, this strategy works amazing. Because it's not usually what happens is it's not no pump and dump stock. This has lots of volume in it. Look at it, 44 million volume, and all throughout here we had massive volume coming in. This is a very big candle here. But like I said, we are getting close to this ATR4. Also, I made a last video saying we are in an uptrend now, as this is definitely different. But as you can see, we are hitting also this upper channel here. So I do expect some corrections happening. Nobody can say exactly where this, if this could, make a downtrend at the blink of an eye. But I will say we are respecting this channel. We have a high here, and then a high here. If you connect those two dots, we have our support here. So if I would look to, see this continue the trend up, I would like to see this support hold right here at this lower trend channel. That is definitely where I would like to see support hold. But yeah, this is looking, in my opinion, this is looking very, very bullish, guys. I really like this setup here. I think this is very nice. But at this price right here, no, I would not buy DJT at this price. There's too much going against it. We're too close to this upper band here, which is a big sell zone. And then two, we had this trend channel touching that it could lead to a sell-off. Where could we see the sell-off? I would be looking to the middle of this channel here, or the lower the channel. More conservative, I would like to see the lower channel, then that's where the EMA 10 is. So yeah, that's our channel there. We definitely are in an uptrend. This is not some where we hit this EMA 20 and dump back down, right? Because a lot of the times that's where the algos look to take it. It's different from this where you see we had this big massive candle, but it just dumps right away, right? And when we go below this EMA 20, that's where price is in a downtrend. We are totally different. We didn't just jump up and dump. We are holding this. We're staircasing. We had this move up. We had this nice correction down, hitting this EMA 5 here, and then we bounce back up. That's what you want to see for an upturn. You want to see that nice staircase pattern. And prices don't just go up and then keep going up. It's going to go that reversion to the mean, and that's where I say, if you are looking to buy puts or short, do look for those areas where it's extremely overextended up in here. And if you're looking to buy, look for it near this lower band here with time distance not hitting this EMA 5, 10, and 20, as that's going to give you the best things. But I would never short this thing, especially when there's a catalyst, the election's happening, because what happens is when there's when the short squeeze happens, charts don't matter at that point. They can go to very high. I've seen them go way up in this area, but if it does go way up in this area, way above, then yes, that would be a nice opportunity where price is going to get rejected. Because the last time we had our big squeeze here, right in here, as you can see, it tried to get over, but this was our big catalyst of the squeeze here. You see how price went way above this upper band, but it can't sustain it. It's just impossible because price has to revert to the mean. Can it do it right away? No. I've seen price, kind of hug this upper band, but at this situation, price just dumped in, really bad here, and then it tried to do a next wave here, try to break this high, but it couldn't. And so what I'm thinking is I don't want anybody to make that same mistake, and that's why I say take some of the gains here. You guys made massive money if you guys got in where I initially made my video. Would I have held all the way through here with all my shares? No, I would have definitely scaled out, and I definitely, trail and stop this, because that's the best way to do it. Because as price goes up, you want your stop loss to go up, and if it just plummets down and goes under this EMA 20, then it is a downtrend. But yeah, like I said, until we break through this trend channel is very bullish. We have a clear uptrend until we close below this upper or bottom channel here on a daily candle. Then I will say it's a downtrend for or it's trying to make a downtrend. But as you can see, we had clear resistance here. I suspect resistance coming up in here. We hit support one time here. We'll probably hit it again. But as this channel is going to go up as price goes up. But yeah, I just want to make a quick video, and then because I love DJT. I love this stock. It's been very good for my system, and it's so easy to make money on this. Even when people doubted this stock, I didn't give a rip, because one, this system works religiously over 90% of the time, especially with stocks over $5, and that's what this does. If you guys want to join the Discord, you guys are more than welcome to join. I would love to have you guys. I think you guys will learn a lot. But if you click the link down below in the YouTube comments, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll have a link pinned to here, and it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you have to do it on your phone's browser or or just use your computer, which is the easiest. Avoid scammers. I will never message you, DM you first, or trade your accounts. And then also read the testimonies of how a lot of people have made massive money doing this strategy. But if you guys want to join, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts right in here, and you'll get access to all the services. I love day trading the most. It's my highest value service. It's my most profitable. It's where I make the most money. But if you hit day trade alerts, you'll get access to everything. Or hit server shop up in here. You can read about the two services. Day and swing trading plus is $11.99, $12 a month. If you subscribe on your computer, it's a flat rate. If you do it on your phone's browser or on your phone through the app, it will charge you just slightly more due to the iOS fee. But it's a very nice service. What you're going to get is entries and exits. Like when I enter my day trades, my swing trades, you're going to get education, day trading education, swing trading education, because the purpose of this Discord really is not to just follow to what I do to a T. You need to understand, like, why is DJT bullish under here, and it's not just because it's close to this. Also, we had a trend channel, right? If you draw the trend channel going down, you can see also, like, it's the same pattern, right? You have support, resistance up in this area, and you have support when you haven't touched it here is support right in here. So in theory, what you would want to do is you would accumulate, and if it goes down, that's totally fine. I have accumulation rules where you have big support here, and then you can do a starter position right in here, and look at the massive gains that DJT did. But yeah, nobody can expect where this thing could absolutely go, but we do have a nice defined area where if it goes up in this upper band here, we know like the sellers are going to really try to attack this. We know for way above the EMA 5, it can at least pull back to that. If we haven't hit the EMA 10 and 20 in a while, and then those are reversions to the mean. So learning all this, I have a lot of videos about this, but you really want to know how to fish instead of just relying on alerts, and that's really what this Discord is about. It's a great community, but yes, of course, I'll say stuff that I like. But at $12 a month, you get access to everything. It's one of my most favorite strategies. Day trading is my favorite because I'm in and out in minutes, making 10 to 20% gains. And if you have a smaller account, you can really grow that fast. But yeah, this is DJT Analysis. Hope to see you in the Discord. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, and comment. I do expect a nice rejection in this area here, so do keep that in mind, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out and happy trading.